Namaste and welcome to this sleep practice. Lie down in a comfortable position and try to remain perfectly still. Let your body settle into the mattress or the mat and gently close your eyes. Tonight, we are going to play a simple game and follow with your attention. I will call out different parts of your body, and your only job is to bring your attention to that spot as soon as you hear it. When we move our attention quickly from one spot to another, it gives our brain a simple puzzle. The thinking mind can't worry or plan because it's too busy following the steps. It's like turning off the lights in a house, room by room, until the whole place is quiet and dark. Your body will fall asleep, but your mind will stay beautifully peaceful and right at the edge of rest. Don't try too hard. Just follow my voice. And if your mind wanders, just bring it back to my voice. Let's start by bringing your focus to your right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, the palm of your hand, the back of your hand, your wrist, elbow, shoulder, armpit, the right side of your waist, the hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, the sole of your foot, your right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. Now bring your focus to your left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, the palm of your hand, the back of your hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, armpit, the left side of your waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, the sole of your left foot, your left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and your little toe. Now move to the back of your body, your right shoulder blade, your left shoulder blade, your right hip, your left hip, your whole spine from the bottom to the top. The back of your head, the very top of your head, your forehead, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the space between your eyebrows, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, your nose, lips, throat, right side of your chest, left side of your chest. The center of your heart, your belly button, and your lower belly. Feel your whole right leg. Feel your whole left leg. Now both legs together. Your whole right arm, your whole left arm, your both arms together, your whole head, your whole body, your whole body together. Your whole body together. Your body is deep in sleep. Your body is quiet, but your mind is clear and at peace. Fall now into a deep, dreamless rest. Namaste. If you like this session, check out our other videos and share this one with someone else who might benefit from this practice. Please subscribe to join us for weekly classes on YouTube and also join us on our socials for daily tips. Thank you.